So for those who are applying for Kmtc courses, either diploma ama certificate, hii video itawasaidia kujua on how to check if you qualify for a course and also how to make an application. So this is an example nataka kutumia for somebody who wants to apply for certificate courses, whereby amechagua certificate in nutrition and dietetics. Then we have that will be offered in Kwale and Karen, Nairobi. Then we have medical emergency technician in Kmtc Nairobi, and also community health assistant in Kmtc Nairobi. So hizi courses, kitu ya kwanza, we'll just go direct to the portal tuziangalie. We'll start with certificate in nutrition and dietetics. How do you check if you qualify for this course? So log in to your portal. First thing, we'll start with nutrition and dietetics. How do you find that course? So under all programs, hapo ndo tutapata hiyo course. So we will go under all programs. Then course hapa what are like courses ziko grouped under, they are grouped under clusters. So wezi pata rahisi. So you just make use of the search option. You want nutrition and dietetics. Just search the keyword, kuna hiyo that search option. So itatupea various courses including degree, but mainly tunataka hiyo diploma, the certificate. Ndio hapo number 17, we just open it. So once imefungua itakupea some of the requirements, but now I'll show you an easier way to check kama umequalify for that course. So on the far right side kuna hiyo option imeandikwa add. So that option, when you click it, we have this course basket. So once we click, that course will be added to the basket. So that's how you add a course to the basket. So you are looking for a certificate in nutrition and dietetics in Kwale and also Karen, Nairobi. So we'll just go and look for Kwale. Ndio hiyo Kwale. Then we go to the other side, we click add. So if you click on that option, it turns green. So hiyo course inaenda hapa kwa course basket. Unaona imeandika 1. So one course has been added to the basket. Now the second institution was Kmtc Karen. So we go and search for Karen, ndio hiyo hapo. Then we'll do the same, we click add. So it may turn green, so the course has been added to the course basket. So we have the second course we tunataka is medical emergency technician, but in Nairobi, Kmtc. And also we have community health assistant in Kmtc Nairobi. So hii nimeonyesha how to use the under these all programs vile utatumia kusearch for the course that you want. Now how do you use maybe kuna hii option ya institution. You can use the institutions tab to check for the course. For let's say for example, these two courses ziko offered in Kmtc Nairobi. So instead ya kutumia the all programs tab, you can use the institutions tab to check for the courses zenye, because hizo course mbili ziko offered in that same institution. So tutaenda under all under institutions. So under all institutions, there are many institutions. Kuna TVET, kuna university. So to make it easy, tuna search for the course. So ataka unatumia simu, it is just the same thing. So you want Kmtc Nairobi, just type the keyword Nairobi. So ita filter. Then we are looking for Kmtc Nairobi to be specific. Ndio hiyo, click. Then itatupea all the courses that are available in that institution, but specifically we want which course. Ya kwanza ni medical emergency technician certificate. So we'll go and look for certificate in medical emergency technician, ndo hiyo. So that course we do the same thing. Tuna click add, that course goes where? To the basket. Now the last course is community health assistant, sorry. Have a community health assistant, ndo hiyo. We click add to the, so your course imeenda happy to the course basket. Now how do you know kama umequalify for the courses that you've added to the basket? So watu wenye apply diploma certificate, they go in Kmtc or TVET, just do the same thing. Then now you'll go to the course basket. So the course basket automatically checks if you qualify for that course or not. So course ya kwanza tuliadd no hiyo nutrition in Kwale ana qualify, also in Karen, Nairobi ana qualify, emergency technician ana qualify, and also we have a community health assistant pia here ana qualify. So hizi courses zote ana qualify. Mtu sana anataka kufanya application. How do you make the application? So to make the application, we have this program code. Every course in every institution iko na program code. Ndo hizi hapa. Ndo hizi nimeandika. Hiyo 48, 75, 48, 30 hizo. So that hizo codes ndo utaandika chini. So when you're going to make an application, hizi ndo unaandika. Uendi kuandika Kmtc Kwale. No. These are the codes that you enter then to submit your application. So how do you make your application? So in your portal kuna hii option ya application stock revision. Uta click hapo, then it will open this page whereby inakupea some of the instructions zenye unafaa kujua, some of the key things you need to know, like application fee ni pesa ngapi and how to pay and all that. So you go then to apply now. Then now we'll have this we have the diploma side and certificate side. So because huyu mtu anataka kuapply for certificate, so we just leave the diploma side. Now we'll go to the certificate side. So hizi these codes are the ones that you're supposed to enter, your 48, 30K, those ones. Ukuje hapo uanze kuandika diploma in medical emergency technician, no. Hizo codes ndio unaandika hizi. Let me just enter them then muone. So once you enter the code, it automatically checks for the minimum subject requirements. Inakuonyesha the course and also the institution. Let me just enter hizo zote, then you see what next. So the last one here, 5,000 K28. So we na check hivyo. And now how do you submit your application? You go now and click this option ya submit. Then kuna hii swali wanakuuliza, just select no, then you click submit. So alafu hapo uta click I agree. Then now watu wanafika hapo wanashangaa maybe how do you pay. Now there is this option, click here. Ukiclick hapo it will open another page whereby itakupea details on how to pay. So we click there. So the next page itakupea what you're supposed to pay, which is the application fee, which is 1,500, and the mode of payment. Mostly we use now M-Pesa. Now uta click to hapo kwa option ya M-Pesa, then itakuletea hii page whereby you're supposed it gives you the details. Account number is in here is Citizen. You 222 they changed. So application the application fee to KUPS direct, no, unalipa to e-Citizen. Now the account number, kila mtu anapewa account number yake. So this is the account number that you are given. So once umelipa, after ushalipa umepata M-Pesa message, come kuna hapo wanakuuliza payment ref. Now which is the payment ref? The payment reference number ni hii, the account number. You just go and copy that number, then ukuje kwa application yako hapo, you enter it, then you submit your application. That's how you submit your application. And once you submit, this is what you will see. So once you submit your application on the dashboard, you will be able to see this an active application. That's how you apply.